Good manners take a person to Allah, while worship takes one to paradise. Life feels truly beautiful when you are the reason for someone's smile. A person gains a lot in life, but he only keeps track of what he did not receive. If people envy you, it means you are on the right path. When your pain and suffering exceed all limits, know that Allah is about to elevate your status. In the race to elevate the standard of living, mankind has fallen from the standard of humanity. Without the love of Prophet Muhammad, a person may reach anywhere but never to Allah. The servants of Allah have this principle. They worship their Creator at night and serve His creation during the day. The effort a person puts into hiding his flaws is far greater than the effort needed to actually get rid of them. Any action devoid of wisdom is a disaster. Speech without silence is negligence, and vision without wisdom is disgrace. A liar harms himself first and foremost. When Allah intends to humiliate someone, He engages him in the pursuit of wealth. A person's greatest enemy is his own ego. The company of the wicked makes one lose faith in the righteous. Choose the world for the sake of the body, and the hereafter for the sake of the heart. One who considers himself superior to others is arrogant.